Hi guys, Tony here with another Nassp video. I will be showing you guys how to do a lunar landing using the Apollo 17 um, scenario. This is pretty much just right before PDI. It's pretty much a test one. I'm going to show you guys exactly what I do for landing on the moon. So coming up on 35 seconds, I'm going to mark that one. Tried to do complicated, well, not complicated, what's the word I'm looking for? Tried to do tutorials that I'm actually explaining things when I'm thinking of things and trying to do stuff. I can't do it all at the same time. So if I'm not being direct or if I'm being very vague, comment section, nail it. Blow it up. So at 7 seconds, it's going to trigger the RCS, and that's going to try to figure it out. It's center and mass. Right at 5 seconds, you want to hit proceed. Make sure this flashes. Just after that, make sure the descent engine command overhead is triggered on. This is pretty much good. Getting a RCS gauge. Well, we really don't need it. Not right now, not in my opinion. So coming up at 63,000 feet. Yeah, that looks good. So at 26 seconds, your thrust should increase. Going to over to my this one, I do recommend playing around with this one versus the Apollo 11 one. This is more laid back, more easier landing. Well, minus that we had to freaking land in a difficult area to land in, considering lunar landings. 15's kind of hard too. Okay, that's 51,000 feet. Looking good. 2 minutes. That's good. Trigger the map. So right there is our landing target. Towards Litro. There. Triggered. Okay, coming up on 46,000 feet. Looking good. Yeah, looks good. Okay. During 1668. Okay, the delta H is limited and decreasing. Verb 57. Come on, verb 50. No. 57. Enter. Okay. Coming up on 40,000 feet. Now, the reason why this is actually glitching, check this out. So we're getting closer and closer to Taurus Electro. A lot of this rugged terrain is what's causing that up and down jolting. The altitude radar, and that's triggering quite a false, what I call false, uh, reading of the current altitude because it's trying to figure out exactly um, how high you are relative to the ground. And the landing radar actually does a little bit better of the job than the current settings. I'll show you guys what I mean by that. Okay, coming up on 31,000 feet. And eventually, the limb's going to go from about this angle, keeps on going till about that right there is about P64. This is roughly P66 ish. P66 is pretty much your manual. That's not what I wanted. Landing option. If you land in P65, you're actually doing this thing, and you might not land in a good area. That's why they have P66 for, so you can actually manually take over and pick your landing spot. Okay, 29,000. Well, checking that. Okay, just past 25,000 feet. Coming up on 24. Okay. What to do? Should be coming up on P64 shortly. 87,000 feet. Okay, so this is our landing target, landing site. Very shortly here, we should be transitioning into P64, and always forget that 17 had a lingering area for 63 versus the other Apollo missions. That's coming up on 9,000. That's good. I'm actually looking for the horizon with the bottom half of the window, actually. Okay, page 64. I want to switch this to hover. Proceed on this. Make sure it blinks. Okay, degrees about 15, and she's dancing around. Just want to switch this to landing radar. Okay. Coming up on 1,000 feet. That's not what I wanted. Okay. I don't know why it's so hard to control. It's usually not this bad. Come on. Come on. Okay, 6% fuel. I do not know what's going on, but it's not letting me to control my attitude. Come on. Okay, coming up on contact light. Okay, engine stop. Okay, and that's about it. Hope this pretty much helps. This is with the default. Here, let me show you guys what I mean. I'll make sure you turn off your RCS. TAP. Okay. So this is pretty much go down to here. VIP. And this is the one I was using right here. Have fun. Got any good ideas for videos? I will be doing a reaction video for KSP2 when it comes out. On Steam. Do have it on my thing. But you guys have a great day.